bows to no one.
There's something provoking into war.
All right, guys, what is going on? We are here at Cecil County Dragway, ready to hit that 10 mark, guys. We have the more aggressive tune in now. We have the most aggressive tune that we have in. Last week at Maple Grove Raceway, we ran 11.0 twice on a less aggressive tune. We have a more aggressive tune in right now. Hopefully we can get that 10 today. That is the goal. 2 11.0s. We have a little more timing in this tune, so we should hit the 10 mark. I don't know if it's going to happen. Everything has to fall into place. We got to make sure we are not hitting that limiter also. The tune is detuned in first gear also, just like the other tune. So the reason it's detuned in first gear is because we need to make that shift, and as we're doing that, Jay can start to slowly, I guess, add timing back in on the hit to see where it goes until we hit the limiter, or, you know, not hit the limiter, whatever. But that is where we're at, guys. Yeah, I want to show you. It's very loud here. As you see, we're at Cecil County Dragway. Here's the truck. I'm in the truck. Everyone's getting their truck started, or their car started up, and yeah, so that's why we are doing it. It's very loud. I usually do it right outside here or whatever, you know, but it's very loud out. So doing it inside right now, guys. Can't wait. I want to get that first pass, see what's going on, see how the truck's going to react. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited because, like I said, last time at the track, we finally got 2 nice clean passes without the best 60 foot. We had 2 crappy 60 foots. Hopefully that'll improve today also. Cecil is usually a little bit faster than Maple Grove, in my opinion. So we'll go from there and we'll get that first pass and see what happens, guys. So yeah, we'll get with you after that first pass. Alright, guys, made the first pass. Draggy said 11:02. Let's see what the time slip is. Ran pretty good. Hooked up okay. Like I said, the detune, it's making the shift with it. But you can feel it. It's like, but let's see, man, because we are running good. See what this time slip says. Got it. 1097 at 127. 127. 1097. Got the 10. Woo! We are mile per houring like a motherfucker. Almost 103 through the 8th. 1097. We got it. And we're still 60 foot's about the same. 160. So we didn't really pick up much in the 60 foot, but we definitely picked up horsepower on the top end even more. Very happy, guys. We got that 10 finally. It's my first 10 ever. Very excited, man. I want to get better. I want to get a little bit better. But, yeah, very happy with that 10, guys. So you can see it right up in there. Yeah, 1097. All right. So let's get back and make another pass. number 2 felt better. Draggy said 1094 from what I think I looked at real quick. But I'm pretty sure, man, we hooked up a little better. It was a much better pass in my opinion. Let's see what we got, man. We were moving, and it felt great. Felt great, man. Whew. Thank you very much. 10.885. Let's go. 10.885. Oh man, we're running good. 1537 60 foot, man. Got the 60 foot back. It didn't bog as much. It didn't bog really. It hooked up, and it just hooked up even better, man. Oh, I'm very happy right now. 10.885. Let's go. Oh, 10.8 is what I wanted today. I wanted 10.8, and we got more in it. We can get it. If we had the old bottom end tune, guys. Oh, we are almost there with the 60, man. I am very happy with this pass. Incredibly happy. This is the day I wanted. This is what I wanted, man. And we're going to go out there, get another pass, and kick some tushies. All right, guys. Let me get another pass in, man. And, yeah, I'll get back with you guys again. Alright guys, that'll probably do it for the pass. Ooh, that was our third pass. We spun on that one. I still spun on that, yeah. So, I think it was 11 something. I don't think that was another 10. Thank you. I can get 11.0 still. 60 foot sucked. 1654. Yeah, we spun. I felt the spin. Alright, we did great. Had a great day, guys. We're gonna go back and go back into the pit right now, and I'll get back with you guys in a couple of minutes. Alright, guys, we are headed home from the track. This, if you hear rattling, that's my jack on the floor. Sorry if it's annoying or whatever, but yeah. This was my happiest day racing I've had, probably when I even got 12s. Because when I got 11s, I wasn't as happy as when I got this. When I got 12s, I was ecstatic. Because 11s, I wanted to go, like I barely broke it, and I wanted to go a little deeper, but whatever. But this, I've been fighting for this for longer than anything. Because when I fought for 12s, I got it pretty quick, within like a month. When I fought for 11s, I got it pretty quick again. This I've been fighting for a while. We've had issues. Like, if we didn't have any issues, we would have got to 10, no problem. But I am happy as hell that we got this 1088. Was our new personal best at 126. I told a couple people I thought we could possibly get a 1085 at 126. We got a 1088 at 126, and we had a couple 127 mile per hour runs. The last run, we spun the tires. I could feel it. Spun a little bit. It wasn't a crazy spin, but spun enough to, 11.0. Sorry, it's not in here. Did an 11.0 on the last side. 1097 the first run, 1088 the second run, and 11.0 on the last run, and it has more in it, man. Our mile per hour is huge. We just got to get it a little harder off the line because it is still short shifting and bogging, which is fine because we are making the shift and we are getting good times, and I just can't be happier. As you can see it in my voice, my face, everything. It was a great day to race, man. Great weather. Weather wasn't even the best. 1500 DA, humidity's a little high. We're not even in boost weather. I believe we could have possibly maybe even got a 10.7 if we got a couple more good runs in. Like the last run, We, like I said, we spun, so we couldn't get that good of a run in. I believe with a couple more good runs in, we could have possibly got a 10.7. In good weather, guys, it could go even better, and this is on this tune. This tune is 93 in boosting. Basically like a 100 octane tune, but it's not. Race gas tune, which get turned up more. This is just a higher octane. We're not even running that much timing for the amount of for the octane. I mean, it's pretty good, you know what I mean? I'm not going to go over details and timing and all that stuff. That's between me and the tuner. But this is our high, you know, our best tune so far, and we proved it. And we didn't even get our best 60 foot. Our best 60 foot is still on the conservative 93 tune. So imagine that 60 foot with that little bit of a launch with this top end. Yeah, guys, and we're going to get there because we can start bringing it up more and more. There's that little bit of a bob, Jake, and freaking add a little bit more in to get rid of that bob. So that's what I think. I mean, I don't know. I'm not a tuner. I'm just a racer who had a great time and a great day, and I'm very happy, guys. But as of right now, yeah, I'm headed home, and hopefully I can see you guys with another video as soon as possible, man. So have a good one. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.